Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a journey through 15 essential phrasal verbs that all start with the letter H. Phrasal verbs are vital for fluent English, so let's jump right in and explore these together. Hang out. When you spend time with friends and do fun activities, you hang out. For example, I love to hang out with my friends at the park. Hold on. Sometimes, you need to wait or keep something tightly. This is called holding on. Like, hold on to your hat. It's windy outside. Hand in. To submit or give something to a person in charge is to hand in. For instance, don't forget to hand in your homework by Friday. Hit it off. When you meet someone new and immediately become friends, you hit it off. For example, I met my neighbor yesterday, and we really hit it off. Hush up. To make something quiet or stop talking is to hush up. Like, could you hush up for a moment? I'm trying to concentrate. Hold up. If something remains strong or doesn't break, it holds up. For example, the old bridge surprisingly held up during the storm. Hand out. Distributing something to a group of people is handing out. For instance, the teacher will hand out the worksheets for today's lesson. Hang up. To end a phone call by putting the phone down is to hang up. Like, I had to hang up because my battery was dying. Head out. Leaving or starting a journey is heading out. For example, we're going to head out on our road trip early tomorrow morning. Hit on. To show romantic interest in someone is to hit on them. You might say, he was hitting on her at the party last night. Hold back. When you restrain yourself from doing or saying something, you hold back. Like, she had to hold back tears when she heard the sad news. Heat up. Things become more intense or exciting when they heat up. For example, the competition is heating up as the final round approaches. Hand down. Passing something to the next generation or from an older generation is handing down. For instance, my grandmother handed down her antique jewelry to me. Hang around. Spending time in a particular place without a specific purpose is hanging around. Like, teenagers often like to hang around at the mall. Hit the sack. Finally, when you go to bed or get some sleep, you hit the sack. For example, I'm exhausted. I'm going to hit the sack early tonight. And that's a wrap on our 15 phrasal verbs starting with H. Keep practicing these in your daily conversations to become a fluent English speaker. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning.